Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to do the AC reset on your Seiko Chronograph Watch movement. This particular movement can be found in a bunch of chronograph watches. This one today is going to be a Kinsley watch, but as you can see we have a Seiko movement. So in order to correctly and safely do the AC reset after you have installed the watch battery, you can even read this on the inner part of your watch back case. So we have here the fact that we need to do this AC reset, so to connect the AC with the plus of the watch battery. For this we are going to need a metallic pair of tweezers. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the basic watchmaker toolkit, as well as to the full guide on how to replace the watch battery from start to finish. So what we want to do is to make sure that we read everything that can be found on the metallic plate of the watch movement, and we are going to find a small AC and an arrow that points to the place where we need to do the AC reset. So I'm going to use my metallic pair of tweezers and I'm going to connect that small point with the plus of the watch battery for 3 to 5 seconds, and then I'm going to look at the front of the watch. As you can see, the chronograph watch hands were spinning. This is a good indication that the AC reset was done properly. And then after we have done the AC reset, the watch hands of the chronograph are going to be misaligned. So I need to align them, and I'm also going to provide you with a full guide on how to do that. Once again guys, make sure to check out all the links in the description box below. Subscribe to this YouTube channel in case you want to watch even more videos about watches, vintage watches and watch tutorials. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.